Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. This video is how to make a stepping stone walkway. This is what my backyard looked like before. As you can see, the dog kind of made somewhat of a pathway from the porch to the shed. So I thought now would be a good time to go ahead and make it an official walkway. And all the items that are used are in the description box below. I purchased this stepping stone mold off of Amazon for only 20 bucks. It was a little bit small, but I knew it would get the job done. The best part of this project is that once I realized that this 80-pound bag can make 5 stones, I ended up coming way underneath my estimated budget. And these pebbles, I'm going to put them on top to give it more of a natural look. If you're keeping it simple like me and just using a shovel and a bucket for your mixture, then I suggest you do a little bit at a time. But if you have bigger equipment, then you could go ahead and mix as much of cement as you want. Each time you mix a new batch, you want to make sure it has the same muddy texture as you see here. Now, I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to let you watch. But don't forget to subscribe. And you're done. It's just that easy. You can also customize the stones by putting marbles or seashells, or in my case, initials. And cleaning up around the stones are just as easy as just picking up any extra. And also don't forget that you need to kind of lightly mist over the stones with a water hose for the next 3 to 5 days to help them cure. Overall, I'm glad with how everything turned out. I ended up making 30 stepping stones total. And with the cost of 6 bags of concrete, 2 bags of pea gravel, and purchasing the mold, I'm glad that I spent literally less than $60 on this entire project versus if I were to go out there and had bought each stepping stone myself from the stores, which is probably about $5 each stone. And I did all this within a weekend. So thank you guys for watching, and like always, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any future notifications.